Now I bring you the new style. The new Panda bottom. 4131 style. The new style 126610. This style VS factory has always been known for its craftsmanship are still here, although it is not as active as before because the situation is different from before. Everyone is not so aggressive, okay? So it's a little more low-key, but its strength is still there. So the new things it launched is worth taking a look, okay? And today's version brings me a little surprise. I think it's a very good strategy, because it has a very cost-effective. This chronograph movement is the prototype of Shandong Watch Factory's 4131, 4130, but this is a hollowed-out 4802. It's the movement model, but you don't need to remember this, or its model, or anything else. You just know it's their prototype. Let's take a look at these two machines. This is the 4131. This is the Dandong version of the 4131. This is a hollowed-out 4802. In fact, their structure is the same, but the pallets and some screws in these positions. There are some differences in these parts. Actually, in terms of performance and quality are the same. Well, the workmanship of the shell. There are two versions. One is the signature version and the other is the top version. The signature version uses the caliber 4802 and the top version uses the 4131. The shell is completely the same. There is no difference at all. They are all the same, and these two movements can be interchanged and can be used interchangeably and can also be interchanged with the original one. Okay, the cost performance is very high, because it is priced like a Submariner, basically the price of Submariner. It achieves the reading effect of Daytona, because its functions and so on are consistent with the original. This is amazing. The 4131 and the 4802. In fact, this movement is also very beautiful. It's really beautiful. So everyone can choose according to their own needs. To choose, in general, VS's products, the cost performance is relatively high, compared to some other factories like Clean. Its price is actually relatively good. So its 4131 is more advantageous, and it's from Dandong. It's from Dandong, the authentic Dandong, which is the latest developed and the first to develop, which is the most mature. Now Clean is actually using Shanghai. Just saying that, of course. Everyone can choose according to their own preferences. I didn't say which one we prefer. I will only tell you the truth. So choose. Is up to you to choose, okay? Of course, if you need my advice, I will also give you advice. In fact, there is no difference in appearance. There is no difference. The straps, the 904 case, and so on. There are no problems, including the casebacks of both watches. Are exactly the same. There is no difference. They are all made in the same factory. Then look at this finished watch. Is very beautiful. This Panda dial has a crown at 6 o'clock. And the hands, all the hands, including the large and small seconds, and all of these are there. It has a solid central axis. It's a solid center shaft, and the hands have been polished, including the engravings on the bezel, which won't fade. The thickness is very thin. It's 12 millimeters thick. Actually, it's 11.9 millimeters. There's not much difference. Don't pay attention to it. Look at the bottom cover. The details are perfectly aligned without any issues. The strap is also perfect. The buckle and engraving are all the same. So the two versions of this Daytona, there is no difference. There is no difference. As far as appearance is concerned, you need to open the bottom cover to see the real difference, and then, in terms of usage, it's exactly the same as the genuine one. Wind it directly by screwing it up. This one has been unscrewed. We should screw it tightly. After unscrewing, turn it upwards. Pull out the first gear to wind the spring. First is the first gear. There's only one gear. There is no neutral gear. Adjust the time upwards. This is the correct way to adjust it. Then time. Press to start timing. Press to start timing. Reset the timer. Then it's completely back to its original state. It's completely consistent. And then, its stability is very good. Because this is our so far, the best timer type we have ever made. It's very stable and the best. This can be said to be a benchmark product for us. So the overall effect is very good. The texture is also very good. And then, well, there's nothing more to say. I think friends who like it can buy it with confidence. Okay. As for the VS Panda bottom, I'll show you the new style. Of course, it also has a black version. If you like it,